The role of a scientist in maintaining integrity in research. A scientist plays a fundamental role in maintaining research integrity by serving as the primary guardian of ethical standards throughout the entire research process. Integrity in research requires consistent adherence to honesty, transparency, accountability, and objectivity. Honesty is paramount. A scientist must report findings truthfully, without fabricating or falsifying data. Even when results contradict initial hypotheses, accurate reporting is non-negotiable. Objectivity demands that personal beliefs, financial interests, or external pressures do not influence experimental design, data collection, or interpretation of results. Scientists must also practice transparency by clearly documenting methods and procedures so others can verify and replicate their work. This openness strengthens the scientific process and builds public trust. Accountability requires researchers to take responsibility for their work, promptly acknowledging and correcting errors when discovered. Furthermore, scientists must respect intellectual property through proper citation and avoiding all forms of plagiarism, including self-plagiarism. They must also disclose any conflicts of interest, financial or personal relationships that could bias their work. In collaborative research, scientists ensure fair authorship attribution, including only those who made significant contributions. They must also uphold ethical treatment of human and animal subjects, obtaining informed consent and minimizing harm. Ultimately, a scientist with integrity recognizes that research serves society. By adhering to these principles, they ensure that scientific knowledge remains reliable, credible, and worthy of public trust, advancing knowledge for the genuine benefit of humanity rather than personal gain.